Yes, good morning, everyone. Hello, everyone. Am I audible? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everyone. So, yesterday we did a lot of practice on patterns, right? So, we saw a couple of patterns. So, let me, audio is clear. Thank you. Thank you, Suri. Okay, so yesterday I introduced you to the concept of patterns. We saw so many patterns like what I can say, the square shape patterns or the triangular pattern that we saw. So just a quick exercise for everyone, just a brush up kind of thing. So please quickly write the code for this and then we will proceed. No taking help from the previous code, just use pen and paper and write the code. You don't have to write it on VS Code as well. Just use your pen and paper, write the code and just check also whether whatever you are writing, is it correct or not. And once you are done, press the thumbs up. So I am waiting for your response, everyone. Please check and let me know. So we will be moving ahead with the new set of patterns today. क्या हो गया इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है Not done, everyone? So what is the strategy here we are going to use? Go for the first line, as I told you. Always go for the first line. So for the first line, what you will write? We have to focus on I or on J in this case. किसको print करेंगे I को या फिर J को? Hello? J, right? So for J in range, and then we will be printing J. So print J. Next time I have to go up to 4. So जहाँ पे 6 लिखा है उसकी जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा 5. Then it will be 4. Then it will be like 3, 2, 1 like this. So whenever the things are changing, can we not use the variable I? So here I will be writing for I in range 6 comma, we have to go up to 1, so I will write it like 0. Does it make sense, everyone? समझ में आ रहा है? So quickly do this, everyone. Now you do this, execute it on VS Code, and then we will move ahead. Whatever we discussed in yesterday's session, any doubt, any question from yesterday's session? Yes, so here I have uploaded the assignment. So let me just ask you, like assignment number 1. Has everyone gone through the assignment number 1? Everybody is okay with assignment number 1? Any doubt, any query from this one? No doubt. Shall I close this? Okay. So let me go for assignment number 2. If you have any problem, please let me know. Yes, Shreya, you want to ask something? Please type your query or the doubt in the chat box. In the meanwhile, I am showing up the assignment number 2. Any problem with assignment number 2? Ma'am, quadratic equation. So, quadratic equation. Okay. So, 1 minute. Let me just open that question. Where was that question in assignment number 1 or 2? I think it is in 1, right? Wait a minute. To find the roots of the quadratic equation, right? So what is the formula for finding the roots of the quadratic equation? So here we have a quadratic equation like ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. So finding of the root is done by the formula that is minus b plus minus under root b square plus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. Shreya, are you aware of this formula? Okay. Now, the point is like we have to find this value determinant, right? So determinant d is equal to b square. So b square means b to the power 2 plus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c. And to this we have to find the square root. So to the power, square root means what? Half. So can I write here 0.5? That will give me the square root. Yes. So I will get the value of d. If the value of d, actually we don't have to find the square root first. We have to just calculate this one, b square minus 4ac. It is not plus 4ac, sorry. It is minus 4ac. So if this value comes out to be negative, then you can simply write roots are imaginary. If the value of d turns out to be negative, then the roots are imaginary. You can simply write this and close it. Otherwise, then what we will do? Minus b plus the value of d, whatever d we have, to the power 0.5 divided by 2 multiplied by a. So this will give you the first root, that is x1, and the same formula you will apply again. Minus d to the power 0.5. So this whole thing divided by 2 multiplied by 8. That will be the second root. So what you have to do is print the first root and the second root. So from the user, what are you going to accept? You are going to accept the value of A, B and C. And just put it into the formula and print the values of the roots. Is that okay, Shreya? You get it now? Yes, Shreya, can you please confirm? I'm waiting for your confirmation. Okay, I don't see a response from Shreya. Okay, I will just go ahead. So this was about assignment number 1. Then this was assignment number 2. Everyone, please tell me, is everyone okay with assignment number 2? Any problem, any issues with this? The last one have you done? Finding the minimum number of nodes? मैम वो कभी वैल्यूज आते हैं तो एरर जब ए और बी की वैल्यू 0 होती है ए और बी की वैल्यू 0. Okay, fine. Shreya, I will write the code. Don't worry. Okay. Let me just go through it. So then I will start working on the coding. Then assignment number 3. Yes, everyone, have you gone through the assignment number 3? The if-else assignment? Any problem with assignment number 3? Branching? So Shreya is giving me the thumbs up. Surikavi, who else is there? Nikam, Janvi, Rajat, Shubham, Amol, Bhavdeep, Sharvani. Everyone is fine? Okay, assignment number 3 is also good. No issues. Sorry, I closed the folder by mistake. Hold on for a minute. Let me open it. This folder I have already shared with you, right? So those who are not able to access the folder, please let me know. Then assignment number 4 was about looping. So everyone, any doubt, any question from here? Assignment number 4. If you all are okay, you have to press the thumbs up. If you have any problem, any doubt, please let me know. Is it done or not done? Or you need time to solve this? That also you can tell me, right? So till now, what I assume is, ma'am, I have not completed this assignment yet. Can I ask about it on Monday? No issues, Janvi. Yes, you can ask it on Monday. No problem. So if you want time, it is perfectly fine, okay? If you're not done. I mean, at least you have done first 3 assignment. That also is an achievement for you. So everyone, will you do it by Monday, everybody? So I can see thumbs up coming off from Janvi. What about others? Okay, fine. Then what was the next assignment? So next assignment is also on looping. So this is a little bit more advanced assignment. So I want you to go through. Now this is like more from the application perspective. Like when you build an application, right? So what kind of requirement the user is going to propose, accordingly you have to write the code. So please do this assignment. This is really helpful. If you are not able to do the assignment, please let me know. This one also, ATM, you know, right? How ATM works. 3 times if you enter invalid, the application closes. So that small case study I have given you. Got it, everyone? This one also, like you have to accept the age from the user based on the number of passengers. Whenever we are traveling, right? So I may not always travel alone. I may have my family along with me. So for the whole family, I have to enter the age, and accordingly the ticket should be calculated. So these are small case studies I have given you so that you understand how these if else concept or looping are applied in practical application. Then the next one is on pattern. Wait a minute, pattern. So based on yesterday's code, okay, today what we are going to cover, then only you should be able to solve this one. Wait a minute. What is pattern number 7? Yeah, so these two assignments actually you should be able to do only after attending today's session. Okay. So if you are not done with the patterns assignment, it is perfectly fine. Some you might be able to do based on what we studied yesterday. See this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ये वाला कर सकते हो आप? Can you quickly try this one, everybody? The second question, this one. जल्दी से ये try करो. Even A, B, A, B, C, this we did yesterday, right? Then the remaining part I am going to teach you today. So try this one. Let me write over here. Ma'am, assignment submission हो गए, please check. Okay, Lahorika, I will check it today. All right. And as I told you, I have added one folder over here. Suppose, let me just go back. So this is the assignment submission folder. What I am doing, this practice I will be following. For example, Lahorika. So can you see this assessment report I have created? So inside this, I will update whatever is my feedback about the assignment. Okay. So once I check it, you can just check this file. This is for everyone, right? Like earlier, Shubham had submitted. So for Shubham also, I had updated that file. Lahorika. Yes, you are Lahorika, right? What happened? मैम असाइनमेंट सबमिशन हो गए प्लीज मैम असाइनमेंट लाहौरी का 2 अच्छा लाहौरी का 2 में है कहाँ है लाहौरी का 2 फोल्डर अच्छा अच्छा this one okay fine I will check it okay after the session I will check it don't worry I will update it in this file clear Laurika yes everyone are we done with this question everyone is done with the question that I've given just now actually it is very easy so I don't know if you are spending too much time the pattern part is clear that pattern we have done yesterday so what is being printed here 1 2 3 4 5 6 so here actually it has nothing to do with I and j that is the secret so I can simply use another variable k is equal to 1 I can write here for I is I in range 1 comma 6 because there are 5 rows for j in range 1 comma I plus 1 and then we are going to say print and what I'm going to print is k plus equals to 1 so what is going to happen here so I'm not printing I am not printing j because it is not the pattern of I and j so don't worry too much I mean there are certain times when the things are so easy we unnecessarily make it complicated so here what is happening when I value is 1 at that time j value is also 1 but what am I printing k so k is being printed that means 1 is being printed next time I value will become 2 j will proceed like 1 2 but what are we printing we are printing k so k plus 1 will make it 2 So 2 will be printed and 3 will be printed. Next time value will become 3. J will proceed like 1, 2, 3. But what is the current value of K? So K plus 1 will make it 4. So 4, 5, 6. Oh, 4, 5, and 6. So this is how it is. Do you get that, everybody? If yes, can you please press the thumbs up? If everybody is able to understand this, can you please quickly press the thumbs up? It is very easy by using K. Unnecessarily don't, there might be simpler solution to the question given. Fair enough. So let's move ahead with the next question. Now, what I want is, let's say I want dollars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. So these are my dollars. So this is one pattern. So this is one pattern. How to get it? We know that. Okay. After that, what I want the next pattern. What is my next pattern? I want 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, and so on. So this is the next pattern. So first pattern and the second pattern. That is what we want. So now let's focus on the first one. This we have done it yesterday, but I'm just doing it again to build a base for the next question. So first, I in ring. Let me take it like this. For J in ring, I want first time the $5. My math assignment question. Ma'am, I asked question assignment 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 assignment question. What are you writing? Now it is difficult for me to understand. Is it Hindi or is it English or is it Bengali? Which language are you using to communicate? Can somebody help me with what Naharika is typing in the chat box? Sorry, I'm not able to understand it. Laurika, I'll get back to you. Hold on for a second. I will unmute. Google Drive Dia. I showed you, right? I can see the assignment. So don't worry, Laurika, please focus here. When I'm teaching you, please focus here, right? Okay, I want your focus over here. All right. So 1 comma, I am going to use here 7 minus I. Print. And what I want is a dollar. So this is the dollar part. Everybody okay with this one? Can you please quickly press the thumbs up to let me know that you understand this? Everybody has to type, please. Quickly type, everyone. Or I mean, press the thumbs up, everybody, if you're okay. Fine. Now what we have to do is, I asked for the other pattern, right? So let me just have this code again. But now I am changing it to I plus 1. And here, I'm just putting, let me continue with the dollar also. So all of you first look at this one. This is also one of the patterns. Just I will replace it with star because in most of the interviews star is asked. दिख रहा है कि आपको ये भी एक तरह का पैटर्न है. ओके. So everybody is able to understand this output. This is also kind of K. Can you see K over here? That type of pattern it is. समझ में आ रहा है सबको ये वाला? Everybody is able to understand? So Shreya and Janvi has confirmed. What about others? Rajat? All right. Thank you. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to, okay, I'll keep this for your reference. I will have another one. Now, what I'm going to do is, I don't want this in a new, what I can say, new pattern. See, first I'm saying, first you print the dollar. Let me use the dollar symbol here. First is the dollar, followed by the star. So if you observe this, what is happening here? J, how many times? Star, dollar, 5 times. So 5 times dollar will be printed. Immediately after that, without a slash n, we are going for the next block, which is going to print the star. How many times? 1 time star. Or let me change the color for the star. So my star is going to come over here. Then again, we have dollar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. And then we have dollar. So this is the pattern I will be getting over here. Is everyone okay with this? Let me execute this to confirm. So this is the pattern, right? Everybody? If everyone is okay, can you please press the thumbs up? So I can see confirmation only from Rajat, Shreya. Others, please confirm. समझ में आया है तो ही हाँ बोलोगे, नहीं समझ में आया तो पूछोगे. Okay, fine. Now what we will do is, I will just do a save as. Now, I will just replace this dollar with a space. Now watch. Can you see a different type of pattern now where I have space in the beginning? Everybody? समझ में आ रहा है? Whenever you want to have this type of pattern, you have to start with spaces. So first we are printing the space that will actually print the star towards the right. Got it? Everyone is clear with this? Now, finally, there is a magic. After this star, I give a space. Let me give one more space. So this is one of the most commonly asked interview questions. Pyramid pattern. It is called as the pyramid pattern. So I want you all to please try this. पहले आप क्या करोगे? Without space ऐसा try करो. And as I said, let's start with the dollar. So quickly go ahead and do this, everybody. This is really a fun time now. So go ahead and execute this. Yes, Laharika, you have to submit continuously when I'm teaching, right? For every topic, I will be submitting the assignment. I will be uploading the assignment. So you have to solve those assignments, okay? And I will keep on following with you. Whenever you're facing any doubt, I will help you to resolve the doubts. All right? Yeah. So please do this, everyone. And after doing this, you have to replace dollar with the space. Then after the star, you have to give the space. Try this out. हो जाएगा तो थम्स अप प्रेस करोगे, ओके? I can see confirmation coming up from Janvi. Yes, what about Suri, Nigam, Shreya, Rajat, Shubham, Amol, Bhavji, Ram? Done? Shall I proceed? Okay. So I hope you tried with the options that I told you. You just have to remove the dollar, and after the star, you have to just, you know, provide two more spaces. So after that, when you execute, you get a beautiful pyramid pattern. So do you think this was a wow moment for you? अच्छा लगा? Did you like it? Can we do something just the reverse? I mean, I want this, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you try that? I want now the opposite. I want 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The star should be there, but it should be like this. So for this scenario, what you will have to do is, here I will again associate it with dollar because spaces are needed here. So here we will have first the dollar symbol. So dollars are increasing and stars are decreasing. That is the pattern trick. Just उसको उल्टा कर देना. Uh, is it like you do not have the unzip software with you? WinZip software you will download, Lahorika, that will help you. Because every time converting everything to PDF, like uh, or do not convert it on the Google Drive. Simply download it on your system and then unzip it. You understand that? Because on a daily basis, converting so many files into PDF takes time for me. Or let me see if I can do something different. I will try that. Okay. I will check out if I can make things easy or simple for you. I will try that. Okay. So as I told you, what you have to do is just invert the roles here. मतलब उल्टा पुल्टा कर देना है. And then this one was our star. So star should be replaced with a dollar. And here I will put a star. Let's just put it first like this. Python demo 4.5. Sorry, demo 4.5. So this is the one we got. Now, as I told you, I will remove the dollar and put a space. And then finally, just put the space after the star. So we got the inverted triangles. Quickly try this out, everyone. Is it done, everyone? Okay. Now, what we will do is we will combine these two programs together. So what I will do is I will put a save as over here. So this one and the previous one. So the two programs that we wrote about the two triangles, I'm just putting them together. I think I copied the same code. Hold on for a second. Same code I have copied 1 minute. 7 minus 5. Here it should be. So can you see everyone what we have got? This is called as the diamond pattern or the Kaju Kachli pattern. But here there is one small flaw. Can you see this? The two lines are getting repeated. It is not the perfect diamond. So what should be done? क्या करना चाहिए हमें to get rid of the two duplicate? Remove one, right? So for removing one, some condition we have to put. So what we can do is the first one. Let me try up to 5. Let's see if this works. Because we don't want 5 rows, we want the 4 rows. Space include. So just by one small change, you can see the perfect diamond shape has appeared. So can you all please quickly try this? Everyone? Understood everybody? Can you give me a thumbs up to know that you've understood? Okay. So please try this out, everyone. So Shreya is done. We will wait for others also to complete. Yes, others. Janvi, Amol, Rajat, Shubham का तो हो गया. Nigam, Turi, everybody is done. Okay. Now let me again do a save as. Now this needs a bit of practice. Okay, so don't think that Rome was built in a day. It will take some time. So I'll just I've changed the position of the two output that we got. So this is another pattern. It is called as an hourglass pattern. It looks like an hourglass, right? But again here two stars are repeated. So we will solve that. But did you understand this, everyone? समझ में आ रहा है? जस्ट उसका पोजिशनिंग हम चेंज कर रहे हैं, ऊपर नीचे कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. लेकिन यहाँ पे भी क्या हो रहा है, देयर आर टू स्टार्स, सो वी डोंट वांट दीस टू स्टार्स. सो फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द थिंग्स वी विल हैव टू रिमूव. लेट मी ट्राई दिस वन. थोड़ा हिट एंड ट्रायल इसमें लगता है, ठीक है. कभी कभार सम थिंग्स वर्क, सम थिंग्स मे नॉट वर्क. So a bit of hit and trial will be needed here. So it is perfect, it works, right? So please try this out quickly. सेव एज करो और बस थोड़े से चेंजेस करो. Is it done, everyone? All right. Now, moving ahead with the next one. Now, this time, what we want to achieve is, we have seen this pattern like 1 star, 1, 2. I'll come to this one later. We'll just solve another. First, let's focus on another one. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically, I want a hollow shape this time. So if you closely observed it, what you have to do in your mind is assume that there are stars over here. पहले आप ये assume करो कि ये पूरा space भरा हुआ है. So in that case, what you will get is 5 rows and 5 columns. So go for this one first. पहले ये बनाओ. समझ में आ रहा है everyone? I'm guiding you in a step-by-step manner. So if there are some spaces, ignore the spaces and imagine as if there are no spaces, then how you will solve this question. So go ahead and do that. So what you will do is, then, so for I in ring, 1, 6, for J in ring, 1, 6, print. So this is a simple code to print the bunch of stars like in a square kind of pattern. So we got something like this. Now we have to focus on the spaces. So coming back over here, now see, now you will start thinking that I have to see the stars in the first row and in the last row. ये तो फिक्स है. फर्स्ट रो में पूरे के पूरे स्टार्स हैं, लास्ट रो में भी पूरे के पूरे स्टार्स हैं. दिस इज वन थिंग दैट इज फिक्स. सो व्हेन आई से फर्स्ट रो, can I say my I value is equal to 1 and in the last row my I value equal to 5. So when I is equal to 1, print the star. When I is equal to 5, print the star. Can I say like this, everybody? This is the condition when I have to see the stars. So I value I am determining in the first row as well as in the last row. So I value is 1, I value is 5. So here, what I'm going to do is I equal to 1 or I equal to 5. Then we have to print the star. Otherwise, don't print anything. So don't print anything means I want the space. कुछ नहीं print करना है मतलब space print कर दो like this. So let me just execute this first. Can you see everyone? We got the first row and we got the last row. If everyone is okay up to this point, can you please press the thumbs up to confirm? समझ में आ रहा है? हमें फर्स्ट रो में चाहिए और लास्ट रो में चाहिए, बीच में नहीं चाहिए. So we just, whenever you don't want anything, you have to substitute with a space. Waiting for everyone to confirm. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो पूछो. Okay, now come to the next point. अब आप ध्यान से देखो. अभी किसको देखना है? इसको देखो. So can I say this is the first column, this is the last column, first column, last column. First column मतलब क्या? J is equal to 1. Last column मतलब क्या? J is equal to 5. So this is the condition where we have to print the star. Do you agree with me? पहले row था, अभी column. So now I will put in or J equal to 1 or J equal to 5. ये भी केस है जब आपको स्टार प्रिंट करना है. So this is how you need to think. You got the answer? Can you please try this out, everybody? जल्दी से try करोगे? Please confirm once you are done, everyone. So I can see Janvi, Amol are also done. So what about you, Shubham, Rajat, Nikam? Everybody is done? Suri? All right. So then let's move ahead. Let's go ahead with the pattern that I was discussing earlier. Now coming to this one. So now I want to discuss this one. So I want a hollow pyramid, this type of pattern. So once again, as I told you, first our target should be to get this pattern. मतलब बिना star के पहले pattern, बिना spaces के पहले pattern लेके आओ. Then you have to insert the spaces. Understood? Always do not try to get the spaces from the beginning. पहले पूरा pattern exactly लेकर आओ. Then you apply the pattern, the stars. Okay, sorry, the spaces. So let's do that. So let me just have a new file that is demo 8.5. So for I in room 1, 6. Then I want the spaces first. So for j in room 1, comma 7, I in room for j in room 1, comma. Mistake I did it. All right. So this is the one we got. Now we have to focus like where we want the star. कहाँ कहाँ पे हमें star चाहिए. So we want star on this line. ये line पे अपने को star चाहिए. So if you observe, this is my row, this is my row, this is my row, this is my row, this is my row. So am I getting the star in the entire row or in a particular column? You can say. I पे focus करना है या J पे focus करना है ये बताओ. In the entire row or in a specific column? So J, right? J की value क्या है? The first one, correct? The first one. So can I say J equal to 1 is the condition for this particular thing? Can we say like this, everybody? You get that what I'm saying? Right now, the value of J should be 1. If it is 1, we are printing the star. So now, let me just go ahead and write here. If J equal to 1, then only you print the star. Otherwise, you print a space. उसके बदले क्या करना है वो भी बताना है. हाँ, सिर्फ स्टार करके छोड़ नहीं देना है. So otherwise you print a star. So let me just execute this one. Understood? ये एक लाइन मिल गया. Now coming to the other one. So I want the star on this line. तो अभी ये क्या है? I की J. Is it a row or a column? Entire row or a specific column? It's a row. Which row? Which row? I or J, Amol? Fifth row. Very good. So what should I write? Condition क्या हो जाएगी? What will be the condition? Yes. I equal to 5. Perfect. तो कभी आ रहा है आपको समझ में? Yes. ये आ गया. Now comes the last one. अब लास्ट वाले पे ध्यान देना है. Now we have to focus on this one. I पे ध्यान देना है ये J पे. This is the first row, second row, third row, fourth row. पूरे के पूरे row चाहिए अपने को कि specific column चाहिए? Specific column. अब उसमें J की condition क्या है? So basically, this is the last value of J. Do you all agree? यहाँ पे क्या था? J की वैल्यू हमने 1 ले ली. एवरी टाइम J वैल्यू इज गोइंग टू बी 1. बट दिस इज द लास्ट वैल्यू ऑफ J. तो लास्ट वैल्यू ऑफ J कैसे पता चलेगा? नाउ सी हियर. लुक एट द J लूप. J की वैल्यू क्या है? 1 से लेकर I plus 1. What is the value of J? J is going from 1 to I plus 1. So I plus 1, it will never go up to I plus 1. Can I say it will always go up to I? This loop, this range method, I value will go up to I. Yes. So what is the final condition I'll be putting here? Or J equal to I. That's it. We are good to go now. What this answer. Okay. So can you please try this out, everybody? Go ahead and try this and confirm once you are done. Everybody is done? Can you please confirm, everyone? All right. So let's go ahead now. Now there is one more question that is usual. I hope now the space part is clear. So whenever you get a pattern which has got some spaces involved, can you try? Can you go ahead and solve that, everyone? Okay, let me give you another question that was there in one of the interviews. 1 minute now. Let me just try to recall it. So this was one of the question asked in one of the interview. My student had shared this pattern. Can you please try this one, everybody? Now this doesn't have space, but it's a combination of 1 and 2 and star and everything. So as I told you, first you will, whenever you get this type of thing, right? So remove the star and put in numbers, and then get the numbers, then replace it with star. Understood? That is the trick to solve such question. Yes, everyone, is it done? आ रहा है क्या समझ में एवरीबॉडी? What I'm asking you to do is, wherever you find the star, replace the star with numbers. So what I will do here, so this will be replaced with 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I will basically be having 0. Are we clear on this, everyone? ये समझ में आया क्या किया मैंने? Now, so one more I think so is there, right? So 6, 7, 8 up to 11. This is the one. So how many rows we have here? So it will total 7 rows, correct? But the thing is it starts with a I. So you have to start with this one and continue how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. है ना? 6 है ना? 7. Am I doing right? ये शायद सॉरी ना एक और है. So this is the six. So both are 7 7. Both sides is 7 7. So first you will get the first row. अब जैसे confusion है तो आप क्या करोगे? Just focus on the first row. So for j in range. So where I am starting from 0 and where I have to continue up to right here 7. So this code will give me the first line. Everybody, are you with me? Is the first line clear? Now go for the next one. So the moment you go for the next one, you can see it is starting with 1. So the 0 has to be substituted with a 1. Now this is 1, so this will be substituted with 8. दोनों change हो रहा है अभी. Yes. So the next one is 2. So this will be 2. This will become 9. So what is the difference? See here 0, 7, 1, 8, 2, 9. दोनों में difference कितना है? The difference is of 7. So if I substitute with I, can I write here I plus 7? You get that everyone? अगर ये I है तो ये क्या होगा? I plus 7 होगा? Every time we are adding 7 to it. Focus here everyone. I am repeating it. ध्यान दो इधर 1 minute. Okay. So this was the first row. Now we came to the second row. Second कहाँ से start हो रहा है? 1, 7. So this 0 will be replaced by 1. This 7 will be replaced with 8. Now come to the next one. This will become 2 and this will become 9. ये यहाँ तक clear है everyone? Are we clear on this? तो अब इसी को मैं लिख रही हूँ 0, 7, 1, 8, 2, 9, 3, 10, 4, 11, 5, 12, 6, 13. Everybody okay with this part? Can you please press the thumbs up? ऐसा आएगा ये. अब इसकी जगह पे in this place I am going to write I. तो इसके जगह पे मुझे क्या लिखना चाहिए? Can I write I plus 7? Do you all agree with me? तो लिखे अभी कंप्लीट करें ये वाला कोड. चलो फिर कंप्लीट करते हैं. Demo 9.5. Show that once again please. एक ही मिनट. हाँ भाव जी एक ही सेकेंड. 0 से 6 ना. तो 0 से 6 मतलब 0 से 7 हो जाएगा. और j in range I comma I plus 8 and then I'm saying print j तो ये आ रहा है अभी, थोड़ा सा स्पेस और बढ़ा दूंगी फिर शायद शायद अच्छा हो सकता है, देखो। Anyway, थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया, एक नंबर बस मैं कम कर रही हूँ, ठीक है। इट इज बिकमिंग अ लिटिल बिट क्लमजी, सो आई एम जस्ट रिड्यूसिंग इट बाय 1 प्लस 7 की नंबर ज्यादा होगा शायद। So this looks a little bit better. Just in appearance wise, it is looking better. So Bhavdeep was asking me to show this again. Yes, Bhavdeep, this is for you. Everybody, यहाँ तक concept clear है तो confirm करो please. Can you please press the thumbs up to confirm up to this point? Are we clear? अब next step क्या रहेगा? What is the next step now? कहाँ कहाँ स्टार चाहिए? स्टार किधर चाहिए हमें? कौन से रो में स्टार चाहिए? I is equal to 1 and I is equal to 7. Perfect. जो भी अपन ने कोड लिखा रहेगा उसके हिसाब से ना. So here I will write if I equal to 0 और ये जो ऊपर लिखा है लूप उसके हिसाब से आप चलोगे ना. I equal to 5. Do you agree everyone? Otherwise I have to print the space. So I'll just put a space over here and let's check this out. I'm so sorry. स्टार चाहिए ना अपने को. Star. अरे उल्टा कर दिया था मैंने. सॉरी सॉरी. एवरीबडी आर यू विथ मी? यहाँ तक क्लियर है? Can you please press the thumbs up if you are okay up to this point, everybody? So I can see confirmation from Amol. About others, please confirm. Rajat, Neha, Shreya, Tanvi, Bhavdeep. Everybody is clear? Okay. Now what next? अब क्या चाहिए हमें? What next now? आई तो हो गया, रो मिल गया, अभी क्या कॉलम चाहिए? कौन सा कॉलम? यू वांट दिस कॉलम राइट? ये वाले कॉलम पे फोकस करना है अपने को. हाँ, तो ये कॉलम का वैल्यू कहाँ से मिलेगा आपको? यहाँ से मिलेगा. गॉट इट? डोंट डायरेक्टली पुट अप द वैल्यू. भावदीप ध्यान दो प्लीज. आपने जे का वैल्यू क्या लिया है? आई और i+6 लिया है ना. हमेशा वो 0 और 6 होगा क्या? इज इट कमिंग एज 0 and 6 ऑलवेज इन एवरी रो? इट इज डायनामिक राइट? आई टोल्ड यू लाइक दिस. रिमेंबर, I told you like this. Every time it is changing. So the first value and the last value. Got it? तो ये जो लिखा है ना, इस पे ध्यान देना है आपको. यहाँ पे जो लूप में लिखा है उस पे अपने मन से 1 2 3 नहीं लिखोगे. जो आपने कोड में लिखा है ना वो ध्यान देना है. So here what I'm going to write, observe this everyone. और j equal to I or j equal to I plus 5. Does that make sense now, Bhavdeep? रजत आ रहा है क्या समझ में? रजत तुम्हारे लिए भी यही है। फिक्स वैल्यू नहीं लेना है। जब हमने जे का लूप लिखा है उसमें वेरिएबल्स यूज किए हैं, तो आप फिक्स वैल्यू नहीं डालोगे। करेक्ट? नाउ यू चेक दिस। दिस इज द डिजायर्ड आउटपुट। Did everyone understand this? Can you please press the thumbs up to confirm? So Amol is confirming. Others, please confirm. Janvi, Rajat, Bhavji, Lahorika, Shubham, Sachin, Gauri Shankar. So quickly try this out. ये कंप्लीट करो आप। एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू दिस नीड्स अ बिट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस। ठीक है, ये एक दिन में नहीं होगा, बट थोड़ा समझ में आएगा तो यू शुड बी एबल टू सॉल्व वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स पैटर्न्स आल्सो। So please confirm once you are done. अंडरस्टूड एवरीबॉडी? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? So just press the thumbs up if you want me to proceed further. सबका हो जाएगा तो थम्स अप प्रेस करो, फिर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। Yes, everyone. Shall I proceed? Hello, hello. Please confirm. Okay. So one more pattern, and then I will come to the question that Bhavdeep was asking yesterday. So first, let me just go for this pattern. So this is the next pattern. So first, I want you to write down this pattern. Then we will see how to solve it. So when you want to solve this pattern, actually this can be further divided into this type. तो ये एक स्पेस का एक पैटर्न है इसमें छुपा हुआ. So this is one pattern. Then this number part is another pattern. And this is the third pattern. ऐसे 3 पैटर्न का ये कॉम्बिनेशन है. Got it? तो पहले ये लिख लो फिर ये सॉल्व करते हैं. Now individually we know how to get these patterns, right? हमने अलग अलग ये किया है, अब इसको सबको एक साथ रखना है बस. That's it. So before we proceed, is the question clear, everyone? जब भी पैटर्न आएगा तो उसको थोड़ी देर ध्यान से सोचो. सोचने से ही आप आधा सॉल्व कर पाओगे. Just try to break it into blocks that should resolve your issue. Everybody okay with the question part? Clear a question? Press the thumbs up to let me know if you are okay with the question. Okay, so first we will go for the first and the second one. ये दोनों हम पहले करते हैं तो 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This part we already know. So let's do that. Demo10.com. So for I in range 1, 6, for j in range So this is what we got. Now what we want is a bunch of spaces. For j in range. So spaces अपने को पहले तो ज्यादा चाहिए. तो ज्यादा चाहिए तो 7 minus I. So we got this one. अब इसके बाद क्या चाहिए? इसके बाद 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. मतलब ये स्टार्ट पॉइंट क्या हो रहा है? कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है? 1 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, 2 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. सो कैन आई से इट इज लाइक स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, ऐसे जा रहा है. So finally for j in range, it is starting from I and it is ending up in 1. तो 1 पे खत्म हो रहा है यानी कि 0 लिखना पड़ेगा अपने को. In j like this. So almost we are there. Do you agree with me? Almost हमारा पैटर्न आ गया है. थोड़ा बहुत गड़बड़ है लेकिन almost we are there. Do you agree with me? यहाँ तक समझ में आ रहा है क्या? चलो एक बार और समझो ध्यान से. Let me repeat it everyone. Focus here. पूरा मैं फिर से कर रही हूँ, ध्यान से सुनो. अभी सबसे पहले the first thing that we know is this part. ये वाला पार्ट हमें पता है. So let's focus on this one. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. ये पता है ना अपने को? We'll write the pattern for this. So for j in range 1, I plus 1. print j, like this. So what this will give us? यहाँ तक ओके है सबको? कैन यू प्रेस द थम्स अप टू कंफर्म वी आर ओके अप टू दिस पार्ट? अब इसके सामने हमें स्पेसेस चाहिए, तो वो स्पेसेस कैसे हैं? ज्यादा से कम की तरफ हम आ रहे हैं. सो आई विल हैव टू पुट अ स्पेस ओवर हियर फॉर j in range 1 comma I plus 7 minus I. ज्यादा से कम ना, तो 7 minus I. तो print are we clear up to this part everybody? यहाँ तक क्लियर है? श्रेया, रजत, अदर्स प्लीज कंफर्म. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? शुभम का भी आ गया. अमोल, भावजी, लाहौरिका, गौरीशंकर, जानवी, आर यू क्लियर? अरे बोल नहीं रहे हो, क्लियर है कि नहीं है? नहीं है तो नहीं बोलना है, राइट? यस, अगेन आई एम आस्किंग. जानवी, अमोल, लाहौरिका, गौरीशंकर, श्रेया, सूरी, सचिन, आर वी क्लियर? ओके, नाउ फोकस ऑन दिस पार्ट. तो यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है आपको? 1 2 1 3 2 1. तो एवरी टाइम हमारा स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू चेंज हो रहा है, बट एंडिंग पार्ट सेम है. सो दिस पार्ट इज माय I and this part is my 1. I have to start with I have to end it 1. End it with 1. So that is what I'm going to do. मैं आज के लिए ज्यादा हो गया. अच्छा, ज्यादा हो गया क्या श्रेया? बस ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन खत्म करके बंद करूं, चलेगा? आई कैन नॉट स्टॉप इन द मिडिल, राइट? और आई जे इन रेन. मैंने मैंने बोला था चक्कर आने की पूरी संभावना है. यस और नो? आ गया चक्कर? लाके ही छोड़ा ना मैंने. ओके, इवन दो आई ट्राइड माय लेवल बेस्ट कि ऐसा ना हो, बट आई कांट हेल्प इट. ओके, 1 पे जाना है तो 0 पे जाएंगे हम. So this loop is over. Is clear? I से शुरू करना है लेकिन 1 तक जाना है. 1 तक जाने के लिए 0 तक. तो let me have a new terminal. यहाँ तक ओके है सबको? Everybody is fine up to this part? Hello? No one is responding on this. बस हो गया क्या? इसको नेक्स्ट क्लास में लूँ, मंडे को लूँ ये वाला पैटर्न? Shall I stop here? Okay, everybody is showing a thumbs up. चलो ठीक है. So I will come to the question which Bhavji had asked. Hold on for a second. I'll just save this code. कहाँ है हमारा question? Yes, everyone. So I can understand if people are having a lot of confusions or you have a lot of dilemmas in your mind when you want to build your career in AI. Okay, now everyone in this era wants to build a career in AI. So there are two options that we can have. One option is whatever, what I can say is one is for, I will say non-programmers and one is for programmers. So when you talk about non-programmers, the one who are not interested too much in coding part, what they can do is they can learn the different AI tools available. So I hope you now know that there are so many tools available. ChatGPT is just one of the examples. So ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, Perplexity, etc. So many tools are now available. So one option is you learn that to learn, and even nowadays, whatever software we are using, we have the co-pilot option, and so many other options are available wherein you can automate a lot of things. So learning those tools to automate your work and make things work faster for you. That is one option. So that is basically for the non-programming. Am I clear up to this part, everybody? That is one vertical you can explore. Then there is another vertical that is for the programmers. So these are the people who build these tools. समझ में आ रहा है? ये tools भी कोई तो बना रहा है ना? How it is coming in the market? So there are people who are building these tools. तो ये आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि ये लोग ये tools बना रहे हैं. Am I clear on this, everybody? ChatGPT is a tool. Gemini is a tool. Correct? Perplexity is a tool. So those tools are working for us, but some developer is working and developing that tool for us. You get that, everybody? ये दो चीजें हैं, ये समझ में आई? There is one AI tool. Okay, so you may learn to use that tool. You may automate your work. You may speed up your work. That is one thing. Or you may become a programmer who builds those tools. ये programmer का काम क्या है? ये tool को build करना. ये दो ऑप्शन है आपके पास. यहाँ तक क्लैरिटी है क्या? इफ यू आर क्लियर, कैन यू प्लीज टाइप सी फॉर क्लियर इन द चैट बॉक्स. सो जनरेटिव एआई इज द कोर्स वेयर वी आर इन दिस सेगमेंट. हम यहाँ पे हैं. सो लर्निंग जनरेटिव एआई इज टू लर्न टू प्रोग्राम इन ऑर्डर टू बिल्ड द टूल. हम ये कर रहे हैं, हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम एक ऐसा टेक्निक सीख रहे हैं, एक ऐसा मेथोडोलॉजी सीख रहे हैं जिसकी मदद से वी शुड बी एबल टू बिल्ड द एआई टूल. तो जनरेटिव एआई का रोल समझ में आ रहा है आपको? मतलब आप अगर जनरेटिव एआई कर रहे हो तो आप किस सेगमेंट में जाओगे, कहाँ पे आप काम करोगे, ये समझ में आ रहा है? यू आर गोइंग टू बी वर्किंग टू बिल्ड द टूल्स, एआई टूल्स विच आर नाउ used by so many developers, so many people to automate their work. यहाँ तक ओके है सबको? Yes. Now let me take the example of Amazon. Now we all know about Amazon. Amazon is a great application. It's a very famous online application. So I hope you can imagine about its data. वर्ल्ड वाइड इसके पास बहुत सारा डेटा जनरेट हो चुका है. डू यू एग्री विथ मी? ये पता ही है आपको? Since so many years it has been there in the market, and across the globe it is working. So from the entire globe, from so many years, a huge amount of data is there with Amazon. So now Amazon wants to use this data to give a very awesome experience to its customers. Amazon क्या चाहता है? Amazon wants to use this data in order to give a very good or very amazing experience to the users. So what we want the programmers to do, use this data. पहले तो आप ये डेटा को स्टडी करो, and based on that you build models, you build tools that will help in giving customized experience to its customers. मतलब कस्टमर को ऐसा लगेगा कि वो किसी एक्चुअल पर्सन से बात कर रहा है, ऐसा उसको फीलिंग आएगा. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? When you go to the shop, right? I mean, traditional method I'm saying. जब हम पहले शॉप्स में जाते थे, वहां पे शॉपकीपर होता था, आप उनसे बात करते थे, and they used to, give you some products of your choice like that. So it's personalized, customized नहीं, sorry, personalized experience to customer. ये देना है. ये जितना ज्यादा होगा, as a customer, won't you feel happy? इवन आप चैट जीपीटी यूज करते हो तो चैट जीपीटी कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करता है? ओह दैट्स अ ग्रेट क्वेश्चन, आई अप्रिशिएट, ऐसे वो बातें करता है. सो वी फील सो नाइस, राइट? ओके, वी फील एज इफ समबडी इज टॉकिंग टू अस. डू यू एग्री विथ मी? तो ये पर्सनलाइज्ड एक्सपीरियंस हमें अच्छा लगता है, राइट? सो एवरी डोमेन और एवरी द people who are working in this industry, they want to give a very personalized experience to the customer without hiring people for that. मतलब ये वाला पार्ट भी वो ऑटोमेट करना चाहते हैं. सो व्हेन यू वांट टू ऑटोमेट इट, दैट इज वेयर एआई कम्स इनटू पिक्चर. समझ में आ रहा है? ये काम हमें करना है, बट वी डोंट वांट टू हायर एनी ह्यूमन बीइंग फॉर दैट. वी वांट द सिस्टम टू डू दिस. तो हु विल डू इट? द एआई एजेंट विल डू दिस फॉर अस. आ रही है बात समझ में? So what is the role of that AI agent? To read the data, to interpret or understand that data and generate the requirements as per the customer's need. Customer क्या question पूछ रहा है उसके हिसाब से आप उसको आंसर देते हो. That is the role of generative AI. Generative AI क्या कर रहा है? It is generating something. It is not just you know, जैसे अगर आप मशीन लर्निंग की बात करते हो, लेट मी जस्ट कम टू द मशीन लर्निंग एग्जांपल. मशीन लर्निंग में एक चीज होती है जैसे हाउस प्राइस प्रिडिक्शन. हाउस प्राइस प्रिडिक्शन. तो हाउस प्राइस प्रिडिक्शन मतलब क्या? आई गेव द लोकेलिटी, आई गेव द एरिया ऑफ द हाउस, I gave my house requirement is 2 BHK or something. I gave my requirement. Based on that, the model is telling me that the price of the house is 2 crore. ऐसा वो मुझे predict करके बता रहा है. That is the prediction made by machine learning algorithm. But now generative AI is not just giving me a single value prediction. It gives me some result, some answer. जैसे कि chat GPT को आप पूछते हो ना कि create PPT for introduction. Okay, let me just use the tool directly so that I can explain it better. Generate PPT for introduction to generative AI. So when I tell this prompt, when I give this prompt to ChatGPT, it takes this as an input and then it is working, and it is not just giving me a single value answer, it is, giving me the whole content for the PPT. Are you understanding? तो ये खुद से क्या कर रहा है? नया टेक्स्ट मेरे लिए जनरेट कर रहा है. इट्स नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू अ सिंगल वैल्यू, रादर इट इज, इट कैन बी टेक्स्ट, इट कैन बी ऑडियो, इट कैन बी वीडियो एज वेल. तो ये काम होता है जनरेटिव एआई का. तो जनरेटिव एआई क्या कर रहा है ये समझ में आया सबको? अब ये अगर हमें चाहिए तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? एज अ डेवलपर, एज अ प्रोग्रामर, व्हाट आई हैव टू डू? आई हैव टू लर्न टू रीड द डेटा. दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. अगर मुझे जनरेटिव एआई सीखना है तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? फर्स्ट थिंग, आई नीड टू लर्न टू रीड द डेटा. Now when I talk about the data is in a very raw format. ये बहुत अलग अलग sources से आ रहा है. It might be coming from the database, it might be coming from the text, it might be coming from the audio and so on. बहुत versatile data रहेगा. So we have to collect that data, we have to clean the data and organize it. तो ये भी हम, इसके लिए भी हमें स्टेप्स लिखने पड़ते हैं, कोड लिखना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू राइट द कोड टू परफॉर्म दिस एक्टिविटी. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट वी ट्राई टू सेग्रीगेट द उस डेटा पे फिर बहुत सारा काम, मतलब एक्चुअली यहाँ पे बहुत सारा रोल एनएलपी का आ जाता है. इफ वी आर डीलिंग विद द टेक्स्ट पार्ट, अल्टीमेटली वी कन्वर्ट एवरीथिंग इनटू द टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेट एंड देन वी स्टार्ट वर्किंग विद एनएलपी. तो एनएलपी के लिए भी प्रोग्राम लिखना पड़ता है, कोड लिखना. इफ यू हैव अटेंडेड माय एनएलपी वर्कशॉप, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि आप कोडिंग वगैरह करते हो. तो ये सारा चीज इसके अंदर आ जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट, right, when you have the sorted text, then you have to create the large language model. मतलब आप ऐसे समझो कि आपका एक क्वेरी है, एक क्वेश्चन है, जैसे क्वेश्चन है और उसका आंसर, क्वेश्चन और उसका आंसर. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर्मेट में हम एक लैंग्वेज मॉडल बिल्ड करते हैं. So when the user types the question, it will go to this model, fetch the relevant answer and show it to the user. ये एक्चुअली काम होता है जनरेटिव एआई का. तो इसके लिए मतलब वो पूरा मॉडल को क्रिएट करना, उसमें जाके डेटा को डिग आउट करना, उसमें डिक्शनरी वगैरह का कॉन्सेप्ट यूज होता है जिससे हम डेटा को पुश पुल करते हैं और फिर वो पूरा इकट्ठा करके यूजर के कस्टमाइज्ड फॉर्मेट में उसको आंसर देते हैं. दैट इज बेसिकली द रोल ऑफ जनरेटिव एआई. अभी आपको एज अ डेवलपर समझ में आ रहा है कि हम एक्चुअली करने क्या वाले हैं? Bhavdeep, that was your query, right? So are you able to understand now what is the kind of role that we are going to play? ठीक है. तो अगर मुझे प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं आती है, मुझे लूप्स लिखना नहीं आता है, मुझे डिक्शनरी या डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स नहीं आता है, तो डेटा के साथ खेलना जो बोलते हैं हम, Means when you have a huge amount of data, you cannot write, for every word you cannot pick them. You have to write the loops for that. तो लूप में डेटा को रीड करना, उसको फिल्टर आउट करना, ये सब चीजों के लिए अपने को पाइथन के प्रोग्रामिंग के पावर की जरूरत पड़ेगी. अंडरस्टूड? फॉर एवरी स्मॉल थिंग यू कैन नॉट गो टू आस्क चैट जीपीटी, अरे इसके लिए कोड लिख के दे दो, अरे इसके लिए कोड लिख के दे दो. ऐसे थोड़ी तुम काम करोगे ना. तो तुमको भी आना चाहिए वो चीज करना. ठीक है? I completely agree that you can ask ChatGPT to do that, but then your skill set is also needed. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say, right? People might think, अरे यार ChatGPT को बोलेंगे तो वो तो सब कोड दे देता है, तो मुझे कोडिंग सीखने की क्या जरूरत है? But then you need to have an edge over ChatGPT as well. तुम खुद वो जगह पे जा रहे हो जहाँ तुम ChatGPT जैसा एप्लीकेशन बनाओगे, तो how can you always depend on ChatGPT for everything? ठीक है क्या? Is everyone able to understand it? Now tell me if you have any further query or any other confusion if there is in your mind. मैम आज 6 साल पहले पढ़ा कॉन्सेप्ट रिवाइज हो गया जब पाइथन में आया था. क्लाउड एआई इज द बेस्ट फॉर स्पेसिफिक टास्क बेटर देन चैटजीपीटी फॉर रिसर्च एनालिसिस एआई बेस्ड विजुअलाइजेशन मैपिंग पेयर नोटबुक. ओके भावजी, आई गॉट इट. यस लाहौरिका, आई विल हेल्प यू आउट, डोंट वरी. सो एवरीबडी इज क्लियर ऑन दिस नाउ. मतलब अगर आपको खुद के एजेंट्स बिल्ड करने हैं, खुद का आपको मतलब कोड लिखना है, खुद के मॉडल्स बिल्ड करने हैं, तो दिस कोर्स विल बी सूटेबल फॉर यू. अगर आपको सिर्फ ऑटोमेशन में जाना है कि नहीं भाई मुझे ज्यादा कोडिंग वोडिंग नहीं करना है, जो एग्जिस्टिंग टूल्स है उनको यूज करके हम काम चला सकते हैं, सो यू कैन गेट इन टू लर्निंग द टूल. Yes. So right now I am not focusing on the tools, ready-made tools, but right now I am working on building the tools, right? हम developer वाले mode में जाने वाले हैं. ठीक है? So that clarity I hope I have given to everyone. So very good information shared by Shubham Trivedi. You can copy it. So you, if you want, if you're interested in different tools, you can just copy that data. That will help you. Now I'm going to help out Lahorika for her assignment related activity. So this was our last free session. After that, those who want to continue from Monday will be taking admission. So I hope you all are aware about how to take the admission and everything. Hold on for a second. I will share the attendance sheet with you. Okay, I completely forgot. Just give me a minute. I request everyone to please fill the attendance sheet. Lahorika, can you please share your screen so that I can help you out with the zip folder? Is it possible for you to share your screen? Others can leave once you. Thank you so much, Vaishali ma'am. I became a student after a long time. You are one of the best coding teacher I studied from my career. Thank you for all your support, concept clearing, especially last 3 days. Thank you so much, Bhavdeep. That is a great motivation for me. Thank you so much. You people also have been very good students. Your enthusiasm was very encouraging for me. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Yes, Lahorika, can you please share your screen? I will allow you to unmute Lahorika. Lahorika, you should now be able to speak. Can you please speak up, Lahorika? सुनाई दे रही है मेरी आवाज? अनम्यूट करके बात करो. ऑडियो प्रॉब्लम है। तो अभी शेयर स्क्रीन पॉसिबल है तुमको लाहौरिका? कैन यू शेयर योर स्क्रीन? चैट में बोला है। हाँ, दैट इज फाइन, इट्स ओके, यू कैन शेयर, कैन यू शेयर योर स्क्रीन? ठीक है, अगर तुमको शेयर स्क्रीन नहीं आ रहा है तो मेरी बात सुनो ध्यान से। दिस इज द फोल्डर राइट, वेयर आई शेयर द असाइनमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग। देखो यहाँ पे, नाउ जस्ट फोकस हियर लाहौरिका एंड सी व्हाट आई एम डूइंग। यहाँ पे मैं आपको डेली का कोड, daily demos and notes I'm sharing. So you will just go to that section. और जैसे ये जो कोड है, ये आप क्या करोगे, राइट क्लिक एंड यू विल डाउनलोड इट, राइट? तो ये आपने डाउनलोड किया। अब ये जो जिप फोल्डर है ये ऐसे ही अनजिप नहीं होगा, ठीक है? सो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, यू हैव टू गो टू गूगल एंड ट्राई विनजिप, क्या अनजिप, जिप पहले, हाँ बेटा वही मैं बता रही हूँ, उसके लिए सॉफ्टवेयर लगता है। विनजिप डाउनलोड करोगे आप, दिस इज द सॉफ्टवेयर यू नीड टू डाउनलोड, अंडरस्टूड? 64 बिट, ये लिंक मैं आपको चैट बॉक्स में देती हूँ। सो क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक, यू विल रीच टू दिस फाइल। यहाँ पे देखो फ्री डाउनलोड ऑप्शन है, इस पे क्लिक करोगे और मोस्टली मैंने भी किया रहेगा थोड़ी दिन पहले। तो यू विल जस्ट डाउनलोड एंड इंस्टॉल इट। ये देखो ये विनजिप डाउनलोड दिख रहा है ना, इसको हम इंस्टॉल करेंगे। सो वंस यू इंस्टॉल इट, आफ्टर इंस्टॉलेशन जो भी आपका जिप फाइल है उसको राइट क्लिक करके आप इसको अनजिप कर सकते हो, दिख रहा है? और यू कैन गो फॉर एक्सट्रैक्ट फाइल। यू गेट दैट नाउ लाहौरिका? समझ में आ रहा है क्या करना है? ये सॉफ्टवेयर अभी मैंने लिंक भेजा चैट बॉक्स में, वो दिखा तुमको? डू यू सी द लिंक आई सेंट इन द चैट बॉक्स? उस पर क्लिक करोगे, क्लिक करके ये दिख रहा है क्या फाइल, ये पेज दिख रहा है? हाँ, तो यहाँ पे फ्री डाउनलोड दिख रहा है ऑप्शन, फ्री डाउनलोड, क्लिक ऑन द फ्री डाउनलोड ऑप्शन। यस, वो डाउनलोड होने के बाद यहाँ पे मेरे पास भी है, देखो डाउनलोड किया हुआ थोड़े दिन पहले मैंने भी किया था। हाँ, ये डाउनलोड हो गया, अब इसको डबल क्लिक करना है अपने को। सो इट विल से डू यू वांट दिस ऐप टू मेक एनी चेंजेस, सो इट से यस। और यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट करके इंस्टॉलेशन स्टार्ट करना है, एग्री, जस्ट प्रोसीड विद द इंस्टॉलेशन। ये होने के बाद आप राइट क्लिक करके उसको अनजिप कर पाओगे। समझ में आ रहा है लाउरिका? विल यू ट्राई दिस एंड लेट मी नो ऑन मंडे वेदर यू आर एबल टू वर्क ऑन इट और नॉट? ये ट्राई करोगे एक बार, फिर मंडे को मुझे बताओ, ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? तो ये देखो ये फिनिश हो गया। तो फिनिश होने के बाद आप यहाँ पे कहाँ, हाँ, तो यहाँ पे राइट क्लिक करोगे और यहाँ पे एक्सट्रैक्ट फाइल्स टू समथिंग ऐसा आप लिख सकते हो। तो ये फोल्डर बना के देगा जिसके अंदर अपने सारे फाइल्स रहेंगे। I hope that is clear now, Laurika. Your issue should be resolved now. बिकॉज कैसे ना सभी ट्रेनर्स आपको मोस्टली ऐसे ही शेयर करेंगे फाइल, तो हर एक को आप बोल नहीं सकते पीडीएफ बना के दो, तो बेटर यू गेट द सिस्टम रिजॉल्व विद द अनजिप फोल्डर। ओके, चलो, सो बाय एवरीवन, लेट्स कनेक्ट ऑन मंडे, सी यू ऑन मंडे। मैम, will any certificate given after completing this course? No, Laharika, no certificate for this. Basically, we want you to take admission in the actual course. Okay? Okay. Bye bye. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Have a nice day.